Well, hello there. Thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony, and I'm here at another Shriner Diner event. But at this park, Shangri-La RV Park and Resort. It's a nice, big, pretty sign there. I wanted to stop up here in front because I wanted to show you what their sites look like. And in this particular video, I'm going to take you around, let you see what their park is like, see some of the amenities. Ooh, I see a dog park over there. Ooh, nice. And show you the ins and outs of this park. So maybe, just maybe, if you happen to be in Yuma, Arizona, and you want to be just off the interstate, this might be the park for you, depending on price, location, all that good stuff. I would recommend being on the other side of the interstate where my home park is, Sunset Palm, only because you don't have to go down and around in order to get to Walmart. You can just jet out and you're there. Most all of your shops and everything are on the other side of the interstate. There are some down this way, but most are on the other side. A place called Dollar General Store, Ace Hardware, all that is on the other side. Anyway, let me show you this park here. Let's get started with it. You just entered the Coolest Life RV Park Review Edition. There's a mail room. Slots for everybody. Also the big room. That's all they really need though. Lots of other things they advertise. There's a river cruise going on. We were just there in Martinez like not too long ago. Like 2 weeks. Quilt show. There's a lot of quilting going on. For sale. And in the same building that is the office and restrooms. And here's the restrooms here. They got shower stalls. Great condition. Like that. Handicap one. The ladies' restroom is right next door. Good condition though. Nice big giant mirror too. So you can see this park here. They've got a few empty spaces right here up front, and I can see why. It's a little noisy here with the road, but these are nice level spots. I like it. I like the concrete pad there too. It goes all the way down, and basically you share it with the neighbors in a sense. So this one here is going to pull up on this side, and there your hookups are going to be here, and your pad is going to be right there on that side. So that's good. These might be considered pull-through depending on what direction you're coming from, I guess. And if the other one's empty or not, you could consider this pull-through. And you can see they got a nice setup here of the pertinent hookups that you need. Water, looks like they got a cable coming in. Yeah, okay, there's a cable. So you can get a cable too, and you're right there. And here's a nice shuffleboard court they have here. I like it. I think it's something really unusual here. Where do you see this? I've never seen this before. This is a putt-putt course built in. But if you notice something, this is number 17 and there's 18. But where's the rest of them? I'll show those to you in a minute. But this is where one is located. Or should I say 17 and 18. Here's a pool and hot tub. It's right next door to the maintenance department and across from the office, which is right there. And that would be why I'm here on property. Not staying here. Got a lot of different things going on. I did not see a pickleball court. But who knows, I might run up on one. Tiffany's office. Rec hall, we'll show you that in a minute. Library. Let's see what's in here. Nice little quaint library. Activities room. Place for a band. This room here is about twice the size of the one at my park. Let's see what we got in here. Vacuum cleaners. Oh, nice little quilting room. I got the measures. You put your own stuff in there. A big puzzle. And some cabinets. Door boards. This little movie room. Pull down there. Card tables. And here is another one of those. So this is 1 and 2 over here. So you would, I don't know, start your setup down here somewhere, I guess. Maybe set it up in the rough and chip it over there to it. it's all artificial turf and stuff here. It's not like some of the other courses. But the different parts of the park, most of them seem like they're on a corner like this. This is on a corner. Here's a stop sign. And on the corner is where the putt-putt greens are. It's pretty neat. Actually, there's another one right there where that tree is. There's another right down the corner. So in this park, you're going to find several park models like this one here. This is a classic park model. Here's another one here. Here's actually a nice little seating area here. And they got horseshoes. Good area for horseshoes. Got some, it's like real grass in the middle. Probably artificial, because I don't see any sprinklers. And mostly you can say, I would say there's park model. Probably 60 to 70% of this park is park models. But you do definitely see it. There's a Class A there, empty spot. Fifth wheels. This isn't jumping around too much because I'm actually walking. And there's another hole down there for putt-putt. I really like that. You scatter out the holes because, I mean, if you live here, heck, you can come out here and just putt-putt anytime. It's right in your front yard. You don't have to go to a particular area of the park because they are scattered. But if you wanted to play them all, you could. It's really neat. And also, you might notice asphalt. You find it's pretty consistent in Yuma parks. You're going to have nice asphalt, not a bunch of potholes. I've actually not been to a park that has potholes yet. I've probably been to 6 parks here. And typically you're going to have some type of concrete pad. Your hookups are going to be all the way to the back and to the right. So this park is not real busy though. As you can see all the empty spots here. This is the season. This is February. This park should be full. Don't know what's going on here with management because the park itself is pretty nice. Could be pickleball. Pickleball is a big pull, and you get 0 pickleball here. So that could be part of it. I'd recommend for this park to take out 2 of these spots, put a pickleball court in. That's all it takes. If you could take out 2 and fill this place up, I mean, hey, that'd be worth it. Just a thought. And here's their trash pickups. Look, they got aluminum recycling. We got that at our park. Nice little walk down for their number 5 and number 6 hole back here. I just think it's cool. You just don't see that in most parks. And then there's a huge dog park area. They call it a dog park. I don't know if it's completely fenced in or not. Well, this isn't. So people take their... They got a big area here though. Looks like it's a mini dog park over there. Is that where I'm pointing? Yeah. And there's a fenced in area there, but that looks like a little dog park area there at the end. And there's one up to the front. I don't know if I showed that to you or not. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tour of this park. I know I enjoyed being here. It does like a pickleball court for my taste, but other than that, I like the park. It's well maintained, as you can tell. Everything's nice and clean. I wouldn't have a problem staying here at this park. Anyways, be sure to like and subscribe. And if you're in Yuma, maybe you want to come down and check out Shangri-La RV Park and Resort. I don't know what qualifies them as a resort. Anyway, I'm going to let you go. Be sure to like and subscribe because I'm just out here living the coolest life. RV Park Review Edition.